How's it, guys? I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to another live stream today. Yeah, today's gonna be interesting. We will speak about the current market situation, and we will be trying to take some setups if there's any setups possible. We do have Tango with us today. Boris will join just shortly. We'd like to welcome Tango again back to the session.
Hey guys, how's it going? Dylan, did you get a new mic?
I did, yeah, I did.
Nice, man.
Yeah, it does work a lot better. How's the week been going?
Good, man. Good. I mean, a bit difficult to trade up here. For mostly for opening new positions, but
Mm,
so far it's been good. I've been taking some profits from positions I had from earlier in the a couple weeks ago that I opened a couple swings, but
okay.
it's been a struggle to open new positions, to be honest. So yeah, just trying to take care of the overall risk up here. It seems to be chopping around, flirting with breaking up and then failing to do so. Now today we get a red day that we may get a bounce. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the same. Like I was quite bearish there. I was taking sells pretty much the whole day, more on like the smaller time frames.
Yeah.
But I mean, if Bitcoin seems to be holding, the only thing like I'm still quite bearish because of this level over here. So we've been trading like in this triangle, this symmetrical pattern, and then we obviously had a breakdown now. So we could come up, retest this level, and then come back down to 50K, which is what I'm looking at. But yeah, we have to wait and see because it is bouncing at the moment. So
Yeah, I'm actually long. I'm actually long Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I took another long on FET. Just playing a bounce here.
okay,
So yeah, I'm just currently holding those three positions for like a quick trade. I mean, I took some profits already on FET, which looks the strongest. So I was looking for the strongest ones for a bounce. FET, WLD. I think the AI tokens have been the strongest lately. So I was looking for the strongest one to play a bounce. So it's been working so far. So we shall see if it's just a bounce that will get sold off at those levels as you showed on BTC, or if we commit and reverse the trend back again to the highs. We shall see. So yeah, for now it's not a swing position or anything, just a quick trade. I'll have to see more commitment to be sure that we might be getting a reversal of the trend today. We still have the U.S. Open in an hour and a half, so yeah, there's lots going on today.
Yeah, I agree. And then we also have FOMC a bit later. So
yeah, it's at 4 p.m. I think. Yeah, EST.
I think I traded just Matic, Bitcoin, ETH, and Sweets there. Matic was just like a bear flag breakout kind of thing. But I don't know.
That's the 5 minute, right?
Yeah, this is on the 5. Actually, I entered quite early. I entered here because Bitcoin, like at this time, Bitcoin was dumping. So then I was like, okay, the probability of this going to break now, it's more likely. So I entered like a bit early. But
yeah, I mean, that short looks good.
Yeah, it was quite clean. Yeah, I think Matic can still come back down to 0.9303, but I mean the market is bouncing, so I do think that Bitcoin can come back up to, where's this level, like 51,650, 51,600, around about these zones here.
51.6. Yeah, so that's actually the target for my long. It's around 51,600 because you have it's right below the wick of the last candle, and you also have the 8 and 21 EMAs above there. So I think that's probably going to be resistance. I'll try to take profits there, and I'll probably will find some short sellers up there. So
yeah, I'm gonna have a look at the book map quickly. Let's see if there's something we can.
Yesterday it
This is
was a crazy
yeah.
volatility day. I mean, it was like shaking
Oh, yeah, it was.
positions up and down, man. It was terrible.
Actually, this position today, I was in a short. I'll go back. I'll show you. I was in a short for BNB. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I took a short. I took a short like here, and then
Yeah.
on the 1 minute time frame, we had this massive like this candle here. Like it was
Yeah.
crazy. I mean, it pumped like 2% in like 1 minute, and then
yeah.
I got stops out so quickly in this trade.
Yeah, that one's so
But-
strong, BNB. Yeah.
Yeah, it was so strange because the market was.
It's one of the only ones that's actually in the green right now.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
let's
up
have a look
5%, 4.8. That's crazy.
Okay, so the book map's saying 51, 520, 500, 600. Yeah, so 51, between 51, 680 and 51, 520, we'll probably start to see like a sell-off, possibly. But if it breaks that zone, then it's, we could see 51, 800 again, 52K. But yeah, I do think that there might be a sell-off at like 51, 680, 650, around about those areas. We'll see. But yeah, the market is bouncing, so it is quite nice.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Yeah, so far that's the only thing I have for now. I'm just playing a bounce because everything was a little bit oversold this morning. So just trying to play a bounce here, and then I'll just try to measure if I could go back short, or as you said, if we reclaim those levels, it's time to just switch gears again and look for longs again. But for now, I mean, it's we're trading range bound on Bitcoin. There's a clear range between 53 and 50 that's been happening for a few days already. So yeah, until we either break to the upside and it's confirmed, or break down below 50K, I think it's better just to scalp positions, or take quick trades, or if you want to swing, maybe just hold for 1 day or two, take some partial profits just to lock it in, and that's what I do when on this kind of environment, just to get more tactical versus being more portfolio approach, and holding for longer, because you can be wrong really quick with this kind of take. So yeah, we shall see if we find some actionable ideas during the stream as well, which I'm not looking at that much. I had these bounces. I was looking at, as I said, the AI tokens, RNDR, WLD, for just for a bounce, but because they've been trading amazingly well for the last week or so, but the rest, it's a bit choppy. There was a short on TIA that I missed also, because
as well. I was looking at that as well.
We talked about that triangle that was about to break to either side. We didn't know. Where. It then gave a nice 2-day short.
And I was actually looking at it today also, so on the 1 hour time frame, this level here, I was waiting for a closure below this level like we got here, and then we had that sell off, but I wasn't watching it at the time, and I didn't put like a limit or anything, so I just missed this completely.
I'm not sure what time that happened, but I think I was away from my desktop, so I also missed it.
Oh, this was Feb. Yeah. Oh, Ethereum's pumping.
I mean, TIA has a lot of room to go to the downside, to be honest, because it does. It's been parabolic, but yeah, I mean, we could find some resistance probably between 16 and 15. So it was a nice trade. Yeah, but
I'm not going to look for this. Yeah.
Which one?
Go for it.
BTC.
No, I'm saying I don't think I'm going to take a short here. I think the market's looking a bit bullish, to be honest.
Yeah.
Well, I want to see if we can start closing back above 51,800, because on the book map, this is also like a strong level. So 51,800. Let's check 51,800. Yeah. I want to see if we can maybe reclaim that level, and then. Yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah, I also talked during my stream yesterday. I talked a little bit about the fear and greed index. I don't usually look at that, but it's nice to look at it when you're on the extremes. And I think lately we've seen a lot of narrative. If you check on social media or everywhere, everybody's talking about breaking higher, going to 60, 69K. And everybody's so thrilled and enthusiastic that usually makes me think that we might be getting a top. So that's why I checked on that index. And if you check it, it's we've been kind of greedy lately. It's above 70, which starts to be the top. If you check the previous tops on Bitcoin, it usually ranges between 80 and 90 on the fear and greed index. I'm not saying we're there yet, but there's no clear indication right now. So of where we're gonna go today, we gotta sell us. We're selling off. So yeah, as you can see, that kind of diminished. It's back to more normal state. But yeah, and also the liquidation maps for longs and shorts. If you look at that, it's been also it has also been pretty even. You see more longs liquidated in the last 24 hours than shorts, but it's not that much of a a top where you see all the leverage longs being liquidated. That creates massive volume. So I believe we're still good. The trend is still up, of course, that's clear. But last week or so, it's been kind of choppy at the top. There's been a lot of distribution up there, I think. So it's been difficult to measure.
Yeah, I agree. I've been actually looking at gold compared to Bitcoin, and what I've found out when gold has been bullish, most likely, if gold starts to break out, Bitcoin actually starts to break out, and when gold starts to flip bearish, Bitcoin starts to flip bearish. It's quite interesting. It's quite interesting.
Yeah, I never checked that. That's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I think gold and gold stocks are pretty much undervalued now. We might see a rally on gold and gold related stock and companies. I think Stan Druckenmiller, I don't know how you say it in English. He's an investor, one of the brightest investors out there. I think he sold a lot of his holdings, and he's been buying up gold and gold stocks like gold diggers and stuff like that. So I think gold is still cheap. People are trying to run to stores of value. So clearly, gold and Bitcoin have been the best store of values that you have right now to protect your portfolio from inflation and upcoming crisis that we never know if it's going to happen or not. So I think that's also has to do with the Bitcoin narrative going up, as well as the ETFs and stuff like that, of course.
Yeah, I think that's very true. Very true.
Also been checking the ETH against BTC chart. Can you pull that up?
Sure.
You've seen that it's been bouncing back again to the trend line. I actually took a short yesterday on Ethereum at 3,000, thinking that it will, bounce back down. I used it also as a hedge, but yeah, we got ourselves a bounce back to 3K. So I think we're right above, right around the trend line. I don't think it's gonna flip. To be honest, I think Bitcoin is going to be
as well.
the dominant force in the market, at least for the first quarter or first 6 months of the year. But Ethereum has been clearly strong and in a clear uptrend, but it's been the narrative has been so strong on Bitcoin that Ethereum got lost in translation, and it's been even stronger than Bitcoin. So yeah. Hey, Morris.
Hey guys, how are you? Good.
Yeah, good and you.
What are you guys' thoughts on today's price action?
I mean, I'm still quite like we're speaking about it. I mean, I'm more bearish than bullish, but obviously it depends. Like, so the price is still respecting like this 4-hour low over here. Like, we didn't close below it. So if this previous candle like started to close below like 50,800, I'd be more bearish. But because it's still respecting this range, it's still respecting the range. So I mean,
Yeah. I bought the dip on that last 4-hour candle. I'm just expecting a mean reversion back to at least like the middle of the range, maybe the top. And then I'm like long Bitcoin and short alts right now, except for like BNB. That one is pretty strong. So
actually, I was telling Tango earlier, I was actually short on BNB.
Oh really?
I was short today, and then in like 1 minute I got stopped out. Literally like 30 seconds I got stopped out. It was crazy. I'll show you the charts. It's actually crazy. Literally 1 minute.
It's up 5% now. It's very strong.
Where is it? Here we go. Yeah, this candle here. So I was short on the retest here, pretty much. And then if you look at the 1 minute, it literally pumped like 2% in 1 minute.
Oh, wow.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So
if
BNB closes above like 360, that would be like.
Let me go back.
It's been like in a tight range for over like a year and a half. It's been like between 360 and below. So I think we could like really start moving up even higher. If you really zoom out, it's been like the $360 area has been like major resistance going back a year.
Yeah. This zone here, 350, 360.
Yeah.
Even if you bring it back, you're right. This was previous. 356. Crazy. And then the next range is possibly up here. Around about, it can go back to 430, which is quite crazy.
Yeah.
What is that? That's another 16%.
Yeah, I've been like pretty much bullish on BNB ever since I guess it had that sell-off when they settled the lawsuit with when CZ like settled the lawsuit with the United States government. And then I think like it's been like so beaten down last year that I think fundamentally like Binance, it's not going anywhere, still doing a ton of volume. It's not going to be like FTX, so I think it's the BNB token is going to is going to appreciate more.
I agree. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing's really. I was looking at a Solana sell over here this morning, but it never really retested my level, so I just didn't get in. But I was hoping price would come back up to this level here, and then I'd look for like a sell back down to 102, 103. But we'll have to wait and see.
I think Solana and Avalanche, AVAX have been no trade for me. I mean, I know that they take a lot of attention, and lots of people are trying to trade it. To see if we get a breakout and play a breakout to higher levels, but it's been sold off. I think it's not quite there. The money's not quite there yet for these L1s. So yeah, I'm just trying to avoid them for now.
I mean, AVAX actually looks like it might bounce here because it's pretty much a retest of this previous resistance. Yeah, let's see how this.
Yeah, the question is like, do we like short this like movement, or is it like a buy the dip opportunity? Because like last year, like whenever we had like strong moves to the downside, it would usually have follow through, especially like in the middle of last year. But now that we're like more in a bullish phase, it's like the shorts aren't working out as well as they did last year for me. So I'm thinking, maybe buying the dip on some of the stronger altcoins.
I agree. I mean, some coins like even
Are you still long mask?
No, I got out. I did take profit.
I got filled on I was waiting a retest of the breakout, and I got filled yesterday because there was that like crazy volatility candle.
Yeah. I just saw that crazy upper wick when I woke up, and I just exited because the rest of the market was looking weak. But it's probably gonna go higher, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still bullish, I guess. Yeah. That's tricky at the moment. It is tricky. Yeah, gold's coming down, so Bitcoin's coming down. Yeah, this position I took earlier on SWE was so clean. I think SWE's in a dump more today, actually.
It's SEI, not SWE. I also mixed
them up. Sorry.
Yeah, I almost took a trade once. Look, I was looking at SEI and then I was about to buy SUI. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, SEI looks good. I mean, still retracing a little bit now.
Can't really do much.
Nice strong.
Yeah, I mean, I would taking sells here would probably be the best player, to be honest, but not now. It's like in the middle of the range, so it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, the Nasdaq's looking pretty weak. It's like it's gonna gap down like 0.5%.
Yeah, I was checking also the ETFs are also gonna gap down.
Yeah,
you're gonna probably fill the gap.
Yeah, I'm wondering. Yeah, like since there's a lot more like institutional activity now with because of the ETF. Will Bitcoin have more of a correlation now with what's happening in the tech sector?
Yeah.
Because like the Nasdaq looks like the Nas 100 looks like it might be topping out.
Yeah,
it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good.
The consensus lately, the SPX and the Nasdaq. We're putting up the top. But yeah, the ETFs are right above the first gap. I think it'll be nice to see if we fill it. We tried to fill it yesterday, and it bounced back up.
Yeah, that's a candle for Bitcoin. No top wick, just straight.
Yes, I guess that was like a fake out above 3,000 for Ethereum. I was actually bullish on that because it did close the daily above 3,000. So, but now it's like not looking so good.
I was also bullish on ETH. I thought it was gonna go straight back to like 3.5. I think 3.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I think I posted the chart of Bitcoin in one of the Telegram groups yesterday.
Yeah.
I did take a long based on the 4 hour. Did work out for the first take profit, but then it just went back to my entry price.
Okay. There's not much to do here. Oh, wait, isn't it? What time's news is only later? FOMC. But this FOMC meeting minutes isn't as hectic, right?
It's
just the minutes, right?
Yeah.
Just the minutes, yeah.
What time does it get released? Do you know?
4.
It's
EST?
at 11.
Oh, 4 Eastern.
Yeah. And then tomorrow, flash manufacturing. Oh, this week's not too bad. I mean, this might have an impact. I'm not too sure if it will, but let's see. I think the market's going to flip bearish. Yeah.
Yeah, for now it looks like just a bounce. Nothing more than that. If you get resistance for Bitcoin, I think around 51,500. For now, the 4 hour candle top is 51,474, so could be the top. I'm still long. Got my stop at the lows of that 4 hour candle, 55.71. Not sure what's
Let's see how
happen.
this.
Yeah.
See what happens. Yeah.
FET, I'm also long, but I took some off on that one.
Have you guys checked this coin Minu? This coin in 7 days it's gone up like 1,100%. It's crazy.
Jesus Christ.
A couple people in the office actually bought some like last week, and they told me to buy, and I didn't buy.
What is that, like a meme token?
It's a token?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Minu.
It's a meme token, yeah. Yeah. It's pretty much just community driven, so.
How's Dog with Hat doing?
Actually, not sure. I think it's getting absolutely destroyed.
Yeah. Good, because shouldn't be at the valuation that it's currently at.
I know, exactly.
Like $200 million market cap. That's ridiculous.
Check this coin, Pandora. Like, I was looking at this coin. I don't really know what it is, but I don't understand how it can be worth 17,800. Like, it's worth way more than Ethereum and like half of Bitcoin's price. Like, how does that make sense? It's just, to me, it's, I don't know. So weird. This coin, I actually bought this coin yesterday, and I put some more in. I'm expecting like 350% from this coin. So I'll see. Let's see.
D-Frogs.
Yeah, D-Frogs. It's all these meme tokens, but you can make quite a bit from them.
I remember.
The last, yeah.
I remember on the last bull market, like back in 2019, 2020, I made like a portfolio of shitcoins. So I like invested like $50 on each of them. Bought them like all the ones I had available on the exchange I was trading at. I think that portfolio probably went to zero. I think I got like one or two that popped up, and when I was trying to sell, there was no liquidity. It was like, so
yeah, that's
like,
a problem.
Yeah.
I have this one coin. It's called it's on the SUI network, and it's worth like $1,000 or something, but I can't sell it because there's no liquidity, so it's just sitting there. I don't understand. Yeah, this 15-minute candle doesn't look too good.
I imagine it'll pick up. Price action will pick up around the NYSE open.
Yeah. Oh, that's a 30-minute close as well. So the 30-minute candle close. Still close respecting this level.
Yesterday we had like it was a holidays in the US on Monday, so I think that's why also we saw that kind of volatility yesterday. It was a long weekend. There was a lot of positions to be liquidated or opened. It was expected. That's why we always emphasize now, even more so with the ETFs, to pay attention to the U.S. market open and close. I think it's influencing the crypto markets even more so now. So it's important to always take a look at what's happening there in traditional finance.
Exactly. Yeah, it looks like Bitcoin. About it.
Hey, Jill, can I share my screen? I wanna
Yeah,
show,
sure, go for it.
like a heat map. I thought it would be interesting to look at the liquidation heat map, because they've been like working pretty well in terms of like marking like basically like tops and bottoms like on the shorter term time frames. So you can see like we like tapped this short liquidation, long liquidation zone earlier, and then we went up, and now we're like rejecting off this potential short liquidations at about 51,500. So it's cool how like these heat maps work. It's like yesterday we tapped into the $50,500 region, took out the longs, and then we took out the shorts, and then just went sideways.
Yeah,
you guys
I like it looking at that. I use that one that you told me about. I mean, not that one. Just the web bookmap. Web.
Map.
It doesn't show you the liquidations. It doesn't show you the liquidations. What's that called? On CoinGlass. Okay.
On CoinGlass, it's just go to the liquidation tab and you'll see it. They also have like a liquidation map, which is cool too. Okay. So I think with the liquidation map, it's actually better because it aggregates data from like all the exchanges. So over here you can see, we're closer to actually liquidating the longs at this price range. So if we start getting into like 50,600, we're gonna like liquidate close to 300 million in longs, and then if we like drop below 50, it's gonna be like close to $1 billion. And for the shorts, we really have to get back to like 51,500 to get more of a short squeeze going. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like looking at that as well.
Well, that's all I wanted to share. You can go back to your charts.
Okay, cool. Yeah, sure. I don't know. I think the market's about to sell off here, to be honest. Like it's not looking good, yeah. Bitcoin's about to break these lows. Let's see.
So would you take a short here based on if the 15-minute closes like this?
Yeah, I'll take a short if it closes below this level here, definitely. Yeah, because also like with my shorts, or like with my strategy, I'll wait for like, you see how price bounced from the zone once, then came back down, bounced again, and then try to start closing back above here. And then if it starts closing below now, then it's better to take the short. Whereas if it started to close below initially, then I wouldn't take the short. I'd wait for like a reaction first, and then the closure. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty simple.
Yeah, it's
Nothing too complicated.
I literally just trade support and resistance the whole day. But also trend lines. Trend lines have been helping. I mean, working quite a lot recently. But I mean, in a ranging market, it's it's quite nice. You can just trade ranges.
Yeah. Yeah, trend lines
Let's see.
tend to work better when we're trending. Actually, I think last couple of weeks or maybe last 10 days, it's been more of a sideways market.
Yeah,
It's more difficult to be more
What are your
aggressive.
guys like? What are your guys like downside targets if Bitcoin breaks 50K?
50K. Yeah, let's see. Like 46.
Yeah.
47,000. But even if it breaks that, then like 44.
Yeah. There's a lot of space there to fall.
There's a lot of space. Yeah.
For me, it's around 45. Even though we can, bounce
45.
any round number like 47, 48. But for me, like strong support on the intermediate term is 45. I'm not sure if we're gonna get there, but
Let's see where's this thing? Let's have a look here. Where's at 43K, even 43K, this is the point of control, so possibly.
I imagine the alts are gonna get destroyed if Bitcoin goes that low. Because Bitcoin dominance is starting to rise again.
Yeah, then the altcoins are gonna dump hard. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for a short for Bitcoin, but only if we get this 15-minute candle to close bearish. Yeah. Need to close bearish, and then let's see if we can get this.
Check out ARB. Might be breaking below, like I guess, like short-term support on the 15-minute.
Oh yeah.
I mean, not yet, but it's getting close.
Yeah, this is
Matic.
beautiful. I like this.
Matic as well. Check out Matic.
Okay.
I'm starting to scroll through my watch list right now.
Where can we take profit for this? If we had to take sells, let's see. We have a level at 1.1, 1.81. Okay. 1.81. How far is that? 1.81. It's like a decent 1.7%. On a 20x, that's 30%, 34%. So
I think Matic looks even better.
let's have a look at Matic. Actually, I've been shorted Matic pretty much. Oh yeah, Matic does look good. Yeah, let's see if we get this 15-minute candle to close bearish here, below these lows. I'm gonna be looking for some shorts here. Looking for some shorts.
Yeah, Matic.
And then Bitcoin, Matic, and ARB at the moment.
ICP might be one as well. I mean, a lot of these look like the same. So.
Let's have a look at ICP. Oh yeah, literally it's the same market structure. Exactly the same.
yeah, it looks the same.
Yeah, if ICP closes below here, same thing. Same setup. We have the levels around about, yeah.
TRB looks really bad.
I'm gonna take this for ICP once it closes like this. I mean,
Yeah.
so now it's 2.2%. Let's see. We need to
TRB
wait
is
for the-
it's very volatile.
Yeah, it had that crazy move
It
like
gets these
the other day.
expansions, man. It's just crazy. This candle holds up from time to time.
And then Bitcoin as well, looking for a sell. Yeah, let's see. We need to wait 5 minutes here. 5 minutes.
Yeah. Maker MKR. Actually, it might have already broken. Might be too late to enter that one.
MKR.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. MKR looks weak. Yeah, the range is not that big though, so yeah, I wouldn't take this one.
We have some comments in the chat, in the in-app.
Okay.
Someone's asking, Pandora is like splitting up a valuable NFT and printing coins that have rights to that said NFT. And
Is that why it's
he's saying,
pumping? Yeah.
look up Gophers. Gophers. It's similar to Pandora. EIP 404
Okay.
or ERC. I don't know what that means.
Go first. This one.
I think it's GOFURS. Unless he spelled it wrong.
Oh, it's this one.
I guess it's that one.
Oh, it's a new coin. Yeah, I'll have to do some research. I have no clue what this is about. But yeah, thanks. We'll check it out. We will sure check it out. It doesn't look like we're gonna get it. It doesn't look like we're gonna close below here. Yeah, so can't really do much. Can't really do much. I guess the bounce is still in play.
What about Matic? That one?
Yeah, for now I'm still long. I don't see that much of a downside potential on Bitcoin. That's why.
Matic.
Even though it could break,
I think I'll take. Maybe I'll take Matic.
I'm gonna take Matic, definitely. I think.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take Matic, and then. Yeah, let's see. There's still 1 minute here. Anything can happen in 1 minute. It can still flip. So let's see.
All right, guys.
But Matic, I'm gonna take.
Let's market sell
Let's
this
prepare Matic.
and drive down. This way.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. I'm going in with 200x leverage.
I'm gonna take this.
Probably into like 20.
20x, yeah. I agree. I do agree. The 50 minute is gonna close bearish, yeah. We might see a top wick and then a flip, but the selling pressure looks quite intense.
I think I'll skip this short. Really not liking the shorts here.
Solana, nothing. ICP is very close. What's a 5 minute looking like for ICP? Yeah, for ICP, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the next 5 minutes to flip bearish, and then I'll take the sell. because the 15 still holding. But I think, if you look at what I've been looking at lately is like some coins. I think it was today, like I was studying Tango. Bitcoin was like breaking down from support, and then I was looking at Matic, and then I just shorted Matic before like my actual entry because Bitcoin was breaking. You know what I mean? So you can kind of, look at Bitcoin, or like even look at the altcoins. Like Matic is kind of front running what Bitcoin's gonna do. It sometimes does correlate like that.
Interesting. Did you end up taking the Matic short?
Yeah, I took it from here. I took it from this level to this green box over here. Yeah, because Bitcoin was. So this is what I was looking at. I was waiting for Matic to break like the support, but then I ended up taking it like over here because Bitcoin was breaking support. So.
But are you taking it again, or did you take it again with this break?
Yeah, I took Matic again now, but but yeah, earlier when I was trading this morning. So today's actually been quite a good day actually. ICP. Okay, this is close. This is close. What's gold doing? Not much.
Got out of my FET long. Raised my stop to break even, so I just got stopped out. Look at the date. On the daily, you see the whole candle has been engulfed, so looks quite bearish. But I'm not sure if we're gonna continue going lower. But yeah, so I was able to take profits on 50% of that position, so it was okay. It was very quick though because it just hit my target and then just went straight back down. So I guess that's the kind of trading you can aim at on this kind of tape, and it's level stone hold for long.
Yeah, it's always good to just take out partials and then put stop loss to break even, because especially in this market, it's quite tricky. Like you rather just take some out.
Yeah.
So
I think Matic or ICP, I would probably wait for a bounce. Maybe take a short. I'm not sure what you guys are looking at on the entry, but for me, I might get in short, but at higher prices if you get a bounce. Otherwise, just keep it. Probably at 0.97, 0.20 maybe. Could be a better risk reward just for me. I'm not sure.
Yeah, the only reason why I'll take, I think I'm just taking it based on like the continuation. Like we had support over here, and then on the 50 minutes, same exact supports, and then we had a closure below this level, and price couldn't break above this level the whole day. So I don't think it's going to retrace. We'll see though. I mean, it definitely can.
Yeah, it's just like a scalp at the end of the day.
I think for the lower time frames, it's looking better. Yeah.
If you zoom out the daily on Matic, it's kind of like a double top actually, with the high on. Oh, the high from like December, late December.
Exactly. Let's check ICP. Oh, look at ICP on the daily time frame. Looks like it's breaking. Your ICP looks quite bearish here, actually, on the daily. I'm thinking about taking the sell for ICP here. Closed. I'm gonna take this as well. Bitcoin, we're still waiting for Bitcoin. It's still bouncing, so we need to wait for Bitcoin to close below. But this is also something like Matic seems to be front running what Bitcoin's doing. You know what I mean? What Bitcoin's going to do. You know.
Yeah.
What I've been looking at as well. Like, obviously, it's not 100% accurate, but like Bitcoin was front running Matic this morning, and now Matic could be front running what Bitcoin is doing, but obviously it's not confirmed.
No, ARB is really breaking down almost.
Nice. Beautiful. ICP looks good as well.
Yeah, it looks really weak.
Yeah, the next 15 minutes is going to be crucial. It's all about what Bitcoin's going to do. Yeah, if Bitcoin closes at a 15-minute below this level here, then I think the whole market's just going to tank. It's also the 1 hour closure and the 30 minutes, yeah, so. See what happens. If the 1 hour closes like this for ARB, then I'm probably going to take this setup as well.
Ethereum looks weak also on the 15.
It looks like Matic's about to get destroyed, yeah. Yeah, Ethereum as well. I think everything's just gonna sell off now. Like if ETH closes below here, I'll probably take sells as well. Solana also, but it's the problem with Solana is that it's at support, so it's quite hard.
Solana looks pretty bad on the daily. It's like it's breaking below the 21 EMA.
Yeah, it doesn't look great. Yeah, but Bitcoin's still not closing below though, so it's can't really do much for Bitcoin for me. But yeah, let's see. I mean, it can still flip here. There's still 5 minutes. There's still 5 minutes. Anything can happen in 5 minutes. It's a US 100 day. Much. Bitcoin's still bouncing, so that's interesting.
Yeah, there seems to be some support right there between 5600, 5500. Same with Ethereum. Just made a big wick on the 15 minute. It's about to close on the high, so I'm not sure. Very tricky tape, guys. Very tricky.
Yeah, maybe we get a retracement up first, because I feel like everybody is getting bearish now. So
yeah,
maybe we'll get like one more, like dead cat bounce perhaps before going over.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it seems like every coin's holding support at the moment.
So I'm just gonna keep. I don't want to add anything more. I'll just keep the Matic short.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do much. Oh, as well.
We lost Dylan, you think? Stream is about to end though, anyways. So yeah, so let's just wrap it up. What do you think, Boris?
Yeah, guys, just
you go ahead. You go ahead. Do the honors.
Yeah, guys, just be safe out there. Use proper risk management. It's looking kind of pretty bearish today, especially in the altcoins. Important levels to be aware of for Bitcoin is really like the $50,500 zone. 50,500, 50,700. So that's going to be the key pivot point. If Bitcoin breaks below there, I think we're going to see a much bigger flush down. So be aware of that level. I'll probably set alerts even in case we start trading below that price. So yeah, that's I guess that's all. Well, any closing thoughts, Tango?
No, same as you. I'm just trying to see if we can play a bounce here, but overall looking very bearish. Just keep in mind U.S. markets are opening in half an hour, so that might give us a better direction on the trend for today. So I'll just wait. Actually, I'll just wait to open new positions, probably for an hour or so, maybe 30 minutes after the U.S. market is open to have more clarity.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All right, sounds good. And I think we'll be back tomorrow for the weekly crypto market insights. So be sure to watch that. And then I'm also doing an in-app stream at 11 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, we'll do some more analysis there. All right.
Make sure to catch that up, guys. All right. See you guys. Take care.
去红地手像是比赛 In my who, my who 这里不能没有你在 My boo, my boo 今晚 party 不要离开 In my who, my who Homie swag from Dubai 去红地手像是比赛说不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。My boo, my boo， 去红地手像是比赛。My who, my who， 这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。My boo, my boo， 今晚 party 不要离开。My who, my who， 我 homie swag from Dubai。Monica 不爱坐摩托 ，Kid out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我以前只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说臭，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗。 My boo, my boo， 去红地手像是比赛 In my who, my who， 这里不能没有你在 My boo, my boo， 今晚 party 不要离开 In my who, my who， homie swag from Dubai。 你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有时无助，简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补，情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无分分不补。 戏清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏信，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼，一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值，你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知，漫步，曲风低手像是比赛，你马虎，这里不能没有你在。